Greetings, my beautiful people. Let's make this delicious soft roti with no butter. Okay, you're gonna need 2 cups of flour and just a teaspoon of salt to taste, and then you're gonna need some oil, and you can use any oil that you prefer. And then after this, you're gonna mix everything together just like that. Oh, and please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my channel. By subscribing, you help me grow. And then on your mixture, you're gonna need hot water, but this water it's not supposed to be boiled, but just hot. And you're gonna mix with your fork just to avoid burning your fingers or your hands. Mix. Then after mixing your dough, you're gonna knead it. When you see that it's soft, guys, just add flour so that it can be thick. Then after that, you see this is the consistency that you want, and then you can put it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you're gonna prep your board and your rolling pin or rolling dough, and then you're gonna roll your dough into this round shape because you want it to be round. You want the shape to be round. And guys, here I do not have a round pan, so if you have a round pan, that's perfect for you. Don't forget to brush your rolling pin with the flour and then roll this thing until it's flat, just like this. If you want a round shape for this, that's it. Continue to roll. Just follow the steps that I'm doing. This is what we want. We want it to look like this. On your hot pan, and then you put it there, and when you see the bubbles, that's when you're gonna flip it. Just like that. You see there? Just like that. Then you flip your roti. It has to have this brown thingy on the side, then you know that it's perfecto. We do the same on the other one, and then you flip it. You see? This is what you want. Check this. This is what you want. This perfection of your rotis. Trust me, you won't have to buy bread on the store again. You have to make this yourself. Enjoy, guys. See you on the next video. Look at it. Bon appetit.